Each of us wants to look as best as possible in the shortest possible time. And it is not impossible at all if you know the tricks that will save your time and money, and help you look great. Each lady yearns for beauty tips that will help her to have more beautiful skin, shiny hair, and stronger nails. Famous makeup artists and dermatologists around the world have shared their great and simple tips that every girl should know. It means that maybe you should use some products in different ways, or that with the help of some tricks you can make your makeup last longer. It will certainly be helpful to remember these beauty hacks. Green tea for beauty. In addition to being great when it comes to detoxification, green tea is excellent for skin care. This tea eliminates redness and swelling and helps to remove dark circles. Almond oil. This oil is a successful fighter against pimples, but at the same time, it's great for removing lipstick and other makeup products. Pour a few drops on a cotton pad and rub over your lips. Almond oil is a great and cheaper alternative to popular makeup removers. Point 7. Vaseline. The shape of the eyebrow is very important and affects the overall appearance of the face. If your eyebrows are disobedient or are curled, you will easily tame them by applying a small amount of Vaseline. After that, just brush them with a brow brush. Coconut oil. Hair is one of the most important concerns of every woman, and permanent painting, ironing or curling destroys the hair. Before washing your hair, massage the scalp with coconut oil and let it work for 3 minutes. Nutrients from this oil will feed hair and make it shiny and healthier. Cold water for the flawless tan. Hydration is necessary. Dermatologists advise you to wash your face with cold water at least twice a week, as hot water opens the pores, which are then more easily filled with bacteria. Mascara is the perfect eyeliner. You go to work and you realize that you have spent eyeliner. Don't worry, if you have mascara you can solve the problem. If you have an eyeliner brush, simply grab a little mascara and apply above the eyelashes. The teeth without lipstick. Something the worst that can happen is that your red lipstick remains on your teeth. However, feel free to apply lipstick in a bright color, and then put your index finger in your mouth, tighten your lips and pull your finger. So the excess of lipstick that could leave a trace on your teeth will stay on your finger and you can laugh all night without fear. Perfect lips. Best lips include a clearly defined upper lip. You will achieve this with the use of a lip pencil. If you want some correction, apply a little powder or corrector on your lips, and then draw a line to correct it. Of course, this doesn't have to differ much from your natural lip line. Wake up after a sleepless night, your eyes are probably red and bloated. With the help of a white shadow or a white eye pencil in the corner of the eye and under the eyebrow that you will rub, your eyes will look clearer and more beautiful. Interesting nail polish. If you are tired of always having the same nail polish, you can make it look more interesting with simple tricks. All you need are patches. After applying one color of nail polish, cut the hollow part without wadding and stick to the nail. Then coat it lightly in a different color, wait for it to dry and remove the patch. Cute dots are here. Baby powder with mascara. Often, on the advertisements for mascara, they promise both volume and length of eyelashes, extreme black color and shine and everything. However, this is often not the case. But for this, there is a trick: baby powder. Apply one coat of mascara, and dip the cotton swab in baby powder and go over the lashes, then apply a second coat. Long-lasting waves. If you don't want straight hair, but don't have time to go to the hairdresser and everything you have on hand is the hair straightener, don't worry. All you need is to make some braids, and then press the hair straightener over them. Spread the braids and here is the hairstyle. Corrector. If you put concealer on dark circles only, it will not turn out the most desirable. The corrector should be applied in the form of a triangle, not a circle. So your face will work fresh and shiny. Let the perfume last longer. Genius Beauty Hacks Save Pin. If you want to keep the fragrance of perfumes longer on the skin, it is necessary to apply it immediately after the shower, as the humidity of the body will help in this. Make a nail polish remover. It happens often that we don't have a nail polish remover at an important moment, so we can make it with lemon juice and vinegar. Revive the dried mascara. Add 5 drops of saline or contact lens fluid, shake, and then heat up the mascara flask bottle for 30 seconds to make the ingredients united. Further reading: 10 ways to get fit over the summer. Make the dark circles disappear. Place 2 spoons in the freezer for 5 minutes, and then gently place them on the eyes for a few minutes. Proper application to make your face perfect. When applying a base and foundation, remember to always apply these products from the top to the bottom. Apply the face cream bottom up so your skin will remain beautiful and elastic. Further reading, 8 ways in which you can bid adieu to skin woes this winter. Lips peeling. To make your lipstick stand longer on your lips, you must prepare them. Make a mild peeling with a toothbrush and then some lip balm on, and you can even make a natural product for peeling with sugar, a little lemon juice, and coconut oil. Tasty and effective. Now, admit that you like these genius tricks so much that you wish you knew them earlier?